Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the earbuds. Charge them and make sure the case has power, because pairing often fails with low battery. Once the case is open, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep it on the pairing screen. Press and hold the earbuds pairing button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This signals pairing mode. You do this because the earbuds must broadcast their identity before your device can see them, so begin the connection immediately. Once the earbuds are discoverable, look for Marshall or the model name in your device's Bluetooth list and tap to connect. You might see a prompt asking to confirm pairing. Accept it so the devices exchange keys and establish a secure link. After connected, test audio by playing a short clip and check left/right channels and volume responsiveness. If you have an app, open it to optimize settings. You do this because confirmation completes the handshake and ensures reliable audio routing. Finish by confirming firmware is current in the Marshall app because updates fix connectivity quirks. Make sure the case closes and the earbuds sit correctly. That prevents intermittent drops. If something goes wrong, reset by holding the power button for about 10 seconds, then remove the earbuds from your phone's Bluetooth list and try pairing again. This reset clears stale profiles and often restores a clean connection. Use it as the primary troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.